All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's General Greene. It's May 21st, 2025. This is a historical day in history. The Japan bond market fully implodes. As predicted, I've been doing a series of videos on this. I hope you are out of the banks. I hope you own Bitcoin. I hope that you've taken necessary precaution. I hope that you are on board the digital Noah's Ark here at islandproject.com. I love you all. Please like and share. Make sure this video goes out. The Japanese bond market and the yen carry trade is completely finished now. It's over. The United States fiat dollar has officially collapsed. In the coming 24 to 48 hours, I'm expecting a full-blown fixed income bond market panic in the United States currency. 401ks, retirement accounts are at risk, and I do not believe that there's much time left. The Japanese 40-year bond yield just hit an all-time historical high. Never before have we seen this at 3.63%. This means that Wall Street is now forced to sell, as you saw stocks decouple from Bitcoin for the first time in history, something I predicted for over a decade now, 15 years recommending Bitcoin when it was basically trading at just like $10. And now Bitcoin today at 110K, entering price discovery. Congratulations to all of you tuning in. Up only. You've seen nothing yet. This is absolutely amazing. We, of course, see stablecoin legislation, as I talked about earlier today, moving through Washington, D.C. So this is going to be massive. The U.S. stablecoin market being passed by the Genius Act and other bills that are working through Congress and both houses as we speak are going to bring trillions and trillions of dollars and more fresh capital just into stablecoins, which then are going to translate into the overall crypto market, as my next major target is $5 trillion in total crypto market cap, which is honestly like nothing. Again, I remind you that the U.S. international equity markets trade at near 140, 150 trillion dollars. And now that the U.S. dollar is officially experiencing the first time in history a bank run, where the hyperinflated currency backed by nothing is now being replaced by the first fixed gold standard asset in the world, the brand new technology that makes up Bitcoin, which of course I've been teaching all my courses now for over a decade at Bitcoin Rich and of course islandproject.com. This is absolutely massive, and I don't want you focused on price right now, although I know that that's exciting. And yes, these are record profits, and this is a lot of fun. I mean, we have to, this is cool. Like, this is really amazing, but don't focus on the price. Understand that Bitcoin is guaranteed to trade millions and millions of dollars per coin, as I've been saying for over 15 years now. And the next initial targets will be 200,000 to 300,000 per coin. Still, so many Americans don't know that Bitcoin is fractional. You don't have to buy a full Bitcoin. You can buy a fraction of Bitcoin. We're the first in the world, of course, to tokenize real estate. We have a no bank debt portfolio of the best properties in the world. As you see behind me, this is what I've been working on the last decade. As we formulated the digital Noah's Ark, we now own 6 properties. Our recent acquisition at Trump Tower, Waikiki, mostly centered and focused in Hawaii. We're now internationalizing the entire 13 colonies, and we're about to go public on the heels of Bitcoin breaking new all-time records. Really is an honor. I appreciate your prayers too. Faith is getting ready. My infant daughter is getting ready for surgery, and you know, we have an uphill battle in front of us the next few days. And yeah, I really appreciate your prayers. So thank you everybody for reaching out to me, and I just really believe in the power of your prayers and know that it's meaningful. So if you could please pray, I really appreciate it. Jesus is King, and God is our greatest God, and that's what really matters in life. But let me break this down, because I mean, this is unbelievable that now we have a cascading event where fixed income is now collapsing in a Pigs Nation style collapse. not just in Japan and the United States. So this whole carry trade has to unwind. This means that Wall Street's going to continue to sell aggressively various security instruments. And I believe that not just the US stock market is decoupling from Bitcoin and crypto, as we saw today factually, but that again, Americans' financial security and safety is at grave risk. I want you to think about this like in terms, I can't say the word, but in 2020, as that was spreading, this is a financial event. This is a financial digitized version of that. It's going to spread into the American banking system. Keep in mind that the US government debt has been downgraded to AAA trash in recent days, and all of the too big to fail banks, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, and others have also been downgraded on their deposits, meaning that the FDIC insurance up to $250K, which hasn't even been raised, even during all the hyperinflation, now stagflation, according to Jamie Dimon, says that the risks of a no growth, huge debt, hyperinflated currency have increased beyond proportions that we have ever seen in American history. And Ray Dalio, my very good friend at Bridgewater and Associates, says that many people are underestimating the risks. And this is what I've also been vocalizing for a very long time. Now, again, I respect all these people. I don't necessarily agree with everything they say because, of course, I actually who brought Bitcoin to a lot of these people. For those of you that don't know, I brought Bitcoin to Donald Trump in the early years through really great patriots like Laura Loomer and others. I've been helping in a small way, but I think it's translated into some very significant events that we're currently seeing in Washington, D.C. now with the establishment of a crypto Cesar and a Bitcoin blockchain setup and essentially a strategic reserve, which I did influence that, thankfully. I'm so glad President Trump has taken the advice of myself and many other individuals in this space that have innovated for such a long time and really put our heart and soul and passion into this because we love America so much. I just had 2 amazing helicopters, a fleet of them actually, fly by me, and I'm like, man, I love this country so much. Like, I just really want to thank all of you out there worldwide. But I really want to take a moment to thank our veterans and those of you that currently serve and protect our freedom and liberty here in the United States. My hat is literally off to you. This is the greatest country in the world. And I just want you to know that America is coming back, that the golden age has been initiated. This is freaking 1776, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to the freaking moon, 1,000 freaking X. And I love you all. And this is such a great moment. May 21st, 2025 in American freaking history. And as we sit on the brink of the financial transition into a Bitcoin hegemonic system, I want you to know it is an honor and that General Greene loves you so much. And I really appreciate you sharing my videos because it's so important that the American people are awake to what's transpiring now. That you tuning in are taking precaution. Again, contact my father, Papa John, John Greene, my dad, the best person I know. Text him at 808-442-2934. Fill out an app. Make sure you're in. Roll over your retirement accounts, 401ks now while you still can, and reach out to us. Let us know how we can help because I am telling you straight up, all across the mainstream media now, not only are they calling this the dawn of the new digital dollar, but we have massive crypto legislation that assures up only across all these assets. This means, as I explained today, earlier, that USDC and Tether, USD is up on the market right now. It's going to be purchased by either Ripple Labs, XRP, the company Ripple, and or Coinbase. Probably more likely to go to the direction of Coinbase, in my opinion. But Ripple's, it's also making huge bids in the tens of billions of dollars, is going to force the reset into this new digital hegemonic system that I've been predicting for a very long time. So this is it. Just enjoy the ride, but get your money out of the banks now. Participate in this, because I'm telling you, this is going to be the biggest wealth transfer that we have ever seen in history. If you missed Bitcoin, don't miss this. Make sure you get in now. The 13 colonies here at the Digital Noah's Ark, reach out, talk to my dad about this. We can go over all our host of amazing exclusive resort properties. We have no debt, no bank debt, and we are set to tokenize here in 2025. I knew this because of God. I'm not giving myself credit for this, but I knew this because of God. He told me to build the Digital Noah's Ark. He told me that there would be a windfall of ammunition, so to speak, to restore freedom and to bring in what Donald Trump has ushered in the golden age. It's initiated now. I love you all. I just want to do this quick update, but enjoy the ride. We are in full-blown price discovery. Expect $5 trillion in total crypto market cap. But make sure you are out of the banks, because we have a systemic 2008-09 Great Depression 2.0 event set to take hold here in the United States. Most Americans will be left behind. They were duped. It's not their fault, but they were conned by the deep state, by these very evil people that I've been bitching about, honestly. Sorry to use that word, but I'm going to be frank. I've been in your face about this for a very, very long time. This is not new news. And now they have set up the American public, and they're about to transition the whole new system into a new economic order. You've got to get ahead of this now. There's still time. So please, for the love of God, click the link below, reach out to us, share this video. More importantly, even if you don't take my advice, do something similar. Exit the banks now like your life depends on it. This is up only for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I've been calling all my friends in recent days. I already mentioned that. Just telling them, I don't even care if they think I'm crazy. I'm just like, you need to go all in now. Jesus Christ is King. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for sharing this content. I'll have more videos very soon. Golden Age unlocked.